What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSHR254, man. You tuned in for another one. And as you can see behind me, I got the donor block from my boy Cortez. Shout out to Cortez. So, it's time to get ready for the bust down, man. We're gonna break it down. We already got this block here. As you can see, you know what I'm saying? We washed it down, bagged it up. So now we basically back to, so the next step would be to get the components to put on this block. So, but before we can do that, we have to get the components out the old block and to move forward. So today's video is gonna be the power torque impact versus this motor behind me. Let's get into it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey, my seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
Alright, so basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with this passenger side head, get it disassembled, get it pulled off. Get it pulled off to the side. Y'all have seen the engine disassembly a million times over. It ain't no how to. This is just me getting to the nitty gritty. So let's get it. Alright, so we got all that off. So now I'm gonna give you a first-hand look at why this block is bad, although it looked perfectly fine from the outside, inside. Outside. So we're gonna need, we'll go ahead and run a new timing set on that. It ain't nothing. But yeah, right here, this is where I think Cortez was having some issues getting some stuff out of something and tried to cross cut the bolts, and then he ended up just cutting into there or whatever. So the block is gouged, so that's no longer going to seal. And because it connects right there, because I was honestly going to try to look in here and see if I could salvage it, but the fact that that up top is so deep, then it's not going to be able to be saved. Which is the reason why he gave me the block. And I know Cortez is smart, so I mean, it's not like he would give me something that he didn't think he could use when he really could or nothing like that. My fellow DIY brother, Cortez Resto Mods, man. If y'all haven't seen his channel, go check him out. But yeah, this is gonna be the culprit. That's the reason why this block is no bueno. But that's the reason why this block is bad. So on the next video, we'll go ahead and continue the teardown. Should I hope there ain't no oil in there. I'm gonna double check that because it might be. So yeah, I'll get this ready to go on to the next phase. We'll continue breaking down the bottom end of the block, but I just want to show y'all why this block is no bueno, and that's the reason right there. So make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and tune in for the next one. Make sure you hit the bell so you get all the notifications on this build and many others. So let's get it. Identify your weaknesses, make them your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity or procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, and the grind don't stop. Gone.